How to buy crypto on Binance with bank transfer. So after you open the Binance app like this, go and open the go to trade section. After you come to this trade, now swipe to left and go to P2P. From this P2P, now tap on this option to select your currency. So make sure to select the currency of your country. For me, I will use DHS. After you select the currency of your country like this now all you have to tap on this payment method and choose bank transfer. Confirm. So now go and specify the amount that you want to buy. So I'll tap on this section. So let's say I want to buy 5,000 of my currency into crypto. So tap on this buy confirm. So from there, you will be able now to see different people that are located in your currency and are willing to collect transfer from you and give you USDT in return on your Binance account. So for me, let's say I want to use this person. So I'll tap on this buy button. After you tap on this buy button, now tap on this bank transfer. So now go ahead now and add in your bank details. So as you can see now, it says bank transfer. So now if I tap on this place order button, so from this option, now tap on this view payment details. So now here is the payment details of this person. So now go ahead and copy this, copy his bank account and his bank name and make the transfer to him. So after you paid him through your local bank to his local bank, so after you paid him, you can come back to this option and tap on this transfer. If you tap on this transfer, notify seller, from there, this person will go ahead now and confirm the money in his bank account. After he received the money, from there, he will give you USDT in return. After he give you the USDT, if you want to see the USDT that he gives you, so just close this option. So if you just close this option, go back. So if you come to this assets, under this asset, so if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the amount of USDT that you get from the person that you gave him local currency on your area. That's it, guys, on how to buy crypto on Binance with bank transfer. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.